Hello guys, it's me again for the third video. This one will cover the kit data importation. So it's pretty important and it's one of the amazing new features of the beta version because it is which will enable you to actually get more use from DKG because I really improved the exported data and the way the tools export things. So be sure to check it out. For for this video, I will get one of the Infinity only clubs, which is Red Bull Leipzig. So let's generate a complete kit set for them, and I will show you how to easily import the generated files for your game. So let's generate it. We can use this one here, pretty different. Moving to away, you can generate some. We can use this one for the keeper. This one seems cool. And finally the third one. This one seems gorgeous. Like you can see, we can hit export. So each generated and exported kit file, it's put in kit files. It will generate these 4 folders here, 2 folders and 2 files. Sorry. This first folder here contains the main textures of the generated kits, so it contains the jersey, shorts, socks. It contains the club logo, kit supplier logo, sleeves sponsors, league logos, and etc. The main change that I made in this beta is that I actually mirrored the game folder structure, and you'll see why that is important soon. The second folder, kits, it contains the Minikits of the kits we just generated, as you can see here. So your UI and everything will be updated, pretty cool. And finally, these 2 text files here, they represent the database table used by the game to control certain aspects of each kit. The database tables contain stuff like color geometry, name font, name color, number font, number color, and stuff like that. So if you wish to have a complete integration of what you see here regarding shorts geometry, number color, number font, color geometry, and etc., you should import these 2, which I will show you in this video, of course. So to start, we will import the texture part of the kit, which is these 2 folders there. For that, you should use the FIFA editor tool by FIFA. There are a lot of tutorials covering how to install this one, so I will not worry about that. You can use this link here. It will lead you to the FIFA site if you wish. Here you look for the content folder. Here is where that folder structure new filter will come in handy, because as you can see, I used the same file structure of the game. So with that, you can use the batch import feature of FIFA editor tool. So as you can see, I clicked on content, batch import, so I must select content, and then FIFA editor tool will import and replace everything for you automatically. because I configured DKG to generate all the kits using the same IDs and file structure and naming patterns of the game, so you can use that feature on FIFA Editor 2 and import dozens of kits within seconds, which it's one of the main new features of beta. So it will take like a minute or so because it must cycle through all files within that content folder, which is huge. So let's wait a little bit. Another important thing is that the search bar should be empty when you batch import stuff, because the batch import cares about what is being seen here. Oh, there you go. 89 assets imported successfully, 0 failed due to errors. And a huge amount were skipped because there were no matching file, so you can hit OK. If you wish to check it out, if things went to the right place, you can hit show only modified and go to the club we just generated kits for, and there you go. There are bold, that means that they were modified. So there you go, you can see your generated kit. For Minikits, you should go to the Legacy Explorer tab. For Legacy tab, the batch import doesn't work in the top folder, so you don't even need to try to use that option here, because FIFA told me it doesn't work. So we must actually navigate to the Minikits folder. You can do so by typing kits and go to data UI image assets folder kits. There you go, the DDS files for Minikits. And here you can use the batch import. Select the match folder, and there you go. For existing assets imported successfully. The same if you wish to confirm that stuff worked. There you go, the corrected Minikits. So your UI will be updated with the actual kits of your clubs. And on FIFA Editor 2, that's it. So you can actually launch your game through the tool itself, or if you wish to export to mod and import it using FIFA's mod manager, it's up to you. It will work. But again, if you only do this texture part, the number fonts and geometry part and number color, etc., will not be right. That's why, because the database part is missing, which I will show you now. For the database part, you should use the RDBM tool, Revolution Data Master, which is a database editor for FIFA. You should then, after install it, which is pretty straightforward, you should open the folder of your squad files in FIFA, which the standard path is at documents, your FIFA version, settings. You see this file here. This is pretty important file, so you should not mess it up unless you have a backup, so I strongly recommend you to do so. I am not responsible for any crashes regarding that. The backup is up to you, so make your backup. So if anything goes wrong, you can cycle back to the standard file. You can open it. It will load a lot of database tables that are used for the game for a lot of different aspects, to control a lot of different aspects of the game. Let's wait a little bit. There we go. Let's maximize it. There you can see the two tables that are important for us. The first one is team kits, which is this one, which is pretty big. Selecting it and import single table, use import single table option to use the version which was generated by the DKG. There you go. And finally, the same with competition kits table, selected, import single table, competition kits table, and finally save your work. Don't forget to save. If you don't do that, the standard table will be used instead, and you will not see the complete updated kit there regarding fonts, colors, and geometries like I already mentioned. Saving it. It will take some time to cycle through all of these tables. And that's it. I will pause the recording now and I will show the imported kit working in the game. So that's it for now. So here I am with the in-game test. So let's see the kits we just created. Like you see, it seems everything right. The kits looks pretty cool. And that's it. I really hope you like it, and if you wish to follow my progress closer, you can join my Discord and subscribe to my channel, but I don't have that much time to actually post on YouTube consistently, but you can subscribe if you want. And please, if you wish DKG to have more features and more clubs and etc., consider subscribe to my Ko-fi to help me keep going and to have access to the infinite version with a lot of cool features and clubs and exclusive patterns, like some of which I just showed you there. That's it. Thanks.